Wunmi Aloba, the widow of the late singer Mohbad, has expressed her frustration over the prolonged embalmment of her husband's body, accusing her father-in-law Joseph Aloba of deliberately delaying his burial without a valid reason. During an emotional interview with media personality Chud, Wunmi revealed that the delay has been heartbreaking for her, emphasizing that despite the public's call for closure, Mohbad's father has continued to obstruct the burial process. She said,
It still feels like my husband is still alive because he's in Yaba morgue. He has not been buried.
He has not been buried.
Yeah, he has not been buried. He has not been buried. It's so sad. He has not been buried. And he's been in pieces twice. They literally did 2 autopsies. The government autopsy and the private autopsy my father-in-law did. And I can tell you for a fact that there is no genuine reason why he's still there. My father-in-law has no genuine reason. But, he's been granting interviews saying, oh, the government do not want him to get justice. The government is this, the government is that. Like, he's been manipulating the public. Like, he has said so many things. People, I don't feel like there's anything that people would say that people would, like, the people in public faces would believe again because a lot has been said.
Wunmi also spoke about Mohbad's deep love for their son, Liam, recalling how he had tattooed their child's name even before his birth. She further expressed this belief that her late husband's father could be the one delaying his burial, given how much Mohbad had loved and respected him. However, Mohbad, born Ilerioluwa Oladimeji Aloba, passed away under controversial circumstances in September 2023, sparking public outcry and a demand for justice. However, with the body still unburied almost 2 years after his death, tensions continue to rise between Wunmi and her father-in-law. We'll continue to monitor this story for more new development, but please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.